In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate consistent images with Whisk AI 2026, step by step. Let's start by opening Whisk AI in your browser and signing in with your Google account. Once you're in, upload a strong reference image. This image is the anchor that tells the model, follow this. Pick a clear, well-lit photo of your subject, ideally front-facing, with minimal clutter. The cleaner and more representative your reference is, the more reliable your results will be. From here, commit to using the same subject or character image for every generation in this project. Consistency begins with your reference. Swapping it out midstream can subtly change facial structure, proportions, or textures, which compounds across outputs. Keep one definitive reference and stick with it. Now craft a detailed prompt with consistent descriptions. The model thrives on specificity. For example, young woman with curly brown hair, cinematic lighting, realistic style, white background. This kind of clarity sets expectations about appearance, mood, and setting. Read your prompt out loud and ask yourself if it leaves room for ambiguity. If it does, tighten it. Next, lock in the elements that matter most to your identity. Keep the character's appearance stable, including hair, face shape, and any signature features. Keep clothing predictable, whether that's a color palette or a single outfit. Hold the art style steady, realistic, painterly, or comic, so the look doesn't drift. Fix your camera angle, like eye level or three-quarter view, so framing stays familiar. Keep lighting consistent, such as soft daylight or cinematic contrast. And choose a background theme, plain white, studio gray, or a simple gradient, that won't introduce distractions. When you land on wording that works, save your best prompt and reuse it. Copy it into a notes file, or save it in the app if there's a favorites option. Reusability is your shortcut to repeatable results. As you generate, make variations slowly. Adjust one variable at a time, perhaps a slight change in expression or a gentle shift in lighting, rather than rewriting the whole prompt. Small, controlled tweaks help you learn what moves the needle without breaking consistency. If there's a remix or edit feature available, use it to nudge results instead of starting over. Targeted edits like refining the background or adjusting brightness preserve your character while improving the image. Finally, download and organize your consistent set. Create a dedicated folder, rename files with clear labels like character, clothing, angle, lighting of Aruv01, and keep your reference, prompt, and best outputs together. This simple system makes future sessions faster and keeps your visual identity rock solid. That's it. Follow these practices and your image generations will stay consistent, clean,